Friends, in other video, sets 1 and 2 marks questions, few are there, up to 8 questions are completed. So now I'm going to say Venn diagrams, start from 9th question. Okay, na? Before that, friends, on request, please subscribe my channel and also share with your friends. And for other videos also, for any topic, you can search in YouTube, then you can watch, you can get 10th class maths, real numbers by Nagaraj sir, 10th class maths sets 1 and 2 marks questions by Nagaraj sir. Like if you want, you search, then you will get. And also 9th question. If mu equal set of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 10 and a equal 2, 3, 5, 8 and b equal 0, 3, 5, 7, 10 represent Venn diagram of A intersection B. So A is given, B is given. So A intersection B is what? So what is given? Given that mu equal 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What is A? A equal 2, 3, 5, 8. What is B? 0, 3, 5, 7, 10. These are given. So Venn diagrams for A intersection B. So one is A, one is B. This is mu. So what are the common elements of in both A and B? 3 is common, 5 is common. That's all. 3, 5. What are the elements other than 3, 5 in A? 2, 8. 2, 8. What are other elements in B other than 3, 5? 0, 7, 10. 0, 7, 10. Other than these elements, what are the elements in mu? 0, already got it. 1, no, it's write down. 2, got it. 3, got it. 4, write down. 5, already got it. 6, nowhere. Write anywhere other than A and B. 6, 7 already there, 8 already there, 9 so not there. Wherever you have space, write there. 9, 10. So, and most important thing is draw the common part of, because of A intersection means draw the common part of A intersection B. So this is A intersection B diagram. If you want A and B also same as this, but shade the A and B. Okay. Here question asked for A intersection B. So just shade for only common part. And see the next question. A equal x such that x belongs to n. Okay. 10th question is there. Okay. Here A is given 1, 2, 3, 4. B is given 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Asking for Venn diagram A minus B. So, A minus B. A, B. A, B. So, same. First write common elements in middle. 2 is common and 3, 4 is common. 2, 4 comes in middle. Other than 2 and 4, what are the remaining? 1 to 3. 1 to 3. If you observe A means 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. B means what? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4 already is written. And what are remaining? 6, 8, 10. 6, 8, 10. Here universal set is not given. So nothing can be written outside. Here question is for A minus B. Means remove B. Subtract B from A. So remove B from A. So this is the A minus B part. So what is A minus B equal? Just 1, 3 only. Here also A intersection B equal to what? Finally 3, 5. This is the conclusion. And that is A minus B Venn diagram. This is A minus B Venn diagram. Okay, na? So A minus B means what? These 1 and 3 are A minus B part. So because of B is removed, so there is no B. B subtracted from A. So B removed. So remaining 1 and 3 are the answer. Okay, na? Take one more question. If A equal set of x such that x belongs to n, x is a factor of 30. So what is a? X such that x belongs to n, x is a factor of 30. So this is a as 1 table 1 into 30, in 2 table 2 into 15, in 3 table 3 into 10, 4 table no it doesn't come, 5 table 5 into 6, then 6 table 6 into 5, in 10 table. So these are the factors. So this is called, what are the factors? 1 2 3 5, 1 2 3 5 6 10 15 30. This is what? Set A. And what is set B is given? B equals set of x such that x belongs to n, x is a prime factor of 30. So given that B equal set of x such that x belongs to n, x is a prime factor of 30. X is a prime factor of 30. So here we have to understood very clearly, not prime number, not factor. It must be factor, and in that it must be prime. So what are the factors of 30? 1 into 30, 2 into 15, 3 into 10, 5 into 6. These are all the factors. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. Not only factor, we want primes also. So in these factors, what are the primes? 2 is prime, 3 is prime, 5 is prime, 6 no, 10 no, none. So B equal to what we get? 2, 3, 5. This is B. And what is asking? Draw the Venn diagram of A union B. Draw the diagram of A union B. A, B. So we want A union B. What are the common elements in both? First of all, 2, 3, 5. So 2, 3, 5 are common elements. A 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. In A we have to write. Okay. 1, 2. 2 already is in A. So no need to write. 3 also is there. Next 5 also is there. Next 6. Next 10. Next 15. Somewhere 15. Next 30. Next B. 2, 3, 5. B. 2, 3, 5. Got it. No need to write. Here what is the Venn diagram? A union B. So A union B means what? Shade all the part. Okay, na? So shade everything. So therefore A intersection B, sorry, A union B called, what about A union B? 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. This is what? A union B. And also we can observe that A union B is same as A. So if question extended like, what do you observe? What do you observe means I observe that A union B equal to A. No? Here it is not extended. If you extended and asked like this, you can write in that way. And next going to another question. 12th question. Represent A intersection B Venn diagram. If A equal 1, 4, 6, 9, 10 and B equal perfect square less than 25. Okay. First of all, given that A equal 1, 4, 6, 9, 10 and B equal mentioned that perfect square less than 25. So what are the perfect squares? 1, 4, because of it is 2 square. Next 9, it is 3 square. 16, it is 4 square. So 25, 36. So 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, and so these are the perfect squares. Because of it is 1 square, it is 2 square value, it is 3 square values, 4 square sides. But here the perfect square less than 25 asking. Less than 25 means below 25, which are 16 are there. So no need to write after 25 and 25. So this is set to B. For A and for B, write Venn diagram. Draw the Venn diagram of A intersection B. So how can we draw? A, B, A, B. First write common elements in middle. 1 is common, 4 is common, 9 is common. So 1, 4, 9. Next, what are the remaining A? 1, 4, 1. Already written. 4, already it is there. 6. Okay, write down. Next 9, already it is there. Next 10. So write down. Next B, 1, already it is there in B. Next 4, already there. Next 9, okay. 16. Okay, this is A intersection B. So A intersection B means what? Shade the common part. Shade the common part. So 1, 4, 9 are there. Therefore, A intersection B equal what? 1, 4, 9. This is the solution. Next, see 13th question. If A equal set of x such that x belongs to n, x less than 6, and B equal set of x such that x belongs to n and 3 less than x less than 8. With the help of Venn diagram, show that A minus B not equal B minus A. So, first of all, what is A, what is B? Given set builder form, we should write in roster form. So, A equal what? Given that A equal x such that x belongs to n, x less than 6. Means what? Less than 6 means what? 5. X less than 6. 6 kante takwa. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, so and so. But natural numbers means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up to 5 only. Next, given that B equal what is given? X such that x belongs to n and 3 less than x less than 8. 3 less than x less than 8 means what? X value between 3 and 8. Between 3 and 8, what are the x values? Between 3 and 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this, between 3 and 8, what are the numbers are there? 4, 5, 6, 7. So, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is set B. Okay, na? So, we should write Venn diagram. So, two Venn diagrams we should write. A, one is A minus B. One is B minus A. Okay. What is A? Common elements. 4, 5, 4, 5. So, write in middle. Remaining 1, 2, 3, 4 already is there. 5 already there. Next B. 4 already there. D. 5 already is there. 6 in B. No 6. 7. First one A minus B. So remove B. B dishe B. If you remove B, what are the remaining elements? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So A minus B equal to what? Set of 1, 2, 3. Then same 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. But here we want B minus A. So remove A from B. From B, remove A. So remove A. What are the remaining elements? 6, 7. Those are only 6, 7 only our requirement. So B minus A equal set of 6, 7. Now tell me, are both same? A minus B means 1, 2, 3. B minus A means 6, 7. Therefore, A minus B not equal B minus A. Hence, proved. Similarly, solve this question also. If A equals set of x such that x belongs to n, x less than 10. B equals set of x such that x is a prime number and x less than 10. Show that A minus B not equal B minus A with help of Venn diagram. Okay, now write down A, write down B, and do similarly the 13th question also. Thank you very much, friends. Please subscribe and you can watch all my videos. Thank you very much.